To write the chemical formula for sodium chloride, we first need to identify the ions and their charges. To do this, we'll take a look at the periodic table and locate each species. Sodium is found right here, and chlorine is found right here. We then have to identify the ions. From the periodic table, we see that sodium has a charge of 1 plus, and chlorine is going to have a charge of 1 minus. It has a charge of 1 minus because it is found in group 7a and needs to have one more electron in its valence shell to have a full octet. So we're going to then determine the total charges needed to balance. Within a chemical compound, the electrical charges need to add up to 0 and be neutral. So taking a look at the sodium ion, we see it has a charge of 1 plus, and chlorine has a charge of 1 minus. So in this case, 1 plus 1 minus is going to equal 0. You can just think of this as positive 1 plus negative 1 equals 0 if you're not speaking in chemistry talk. So then we have those charges balanced. Next, we're going to note the ratio of cations to anions. So in this, we're just looking at how many cations are there and how many anions are there to have a balanced electrical charge. In this case, we're lucky. There's just one sodium cation and one chloride anion. So the ratio of cations to anions is 1 to 1. The final step is to use subscripts to write the chemical formula. To do this, we'll use that ratio we found in step 2 or step number 3, and those will become our subscripts. So we had one sodium cation and one chlorine anion. So now we have our subscripts and our chemical formula, but chemists do not write subscripts of 1. Instead, when we want to write the name for sodium chloride, it's just going to be NaCl.